Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you scrolling down here until you will find settings. Just click on settings. You click here on privacy and content restrictions. So then you just switch into open with you here. Then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on communications here. So then you click here on party here. Then you come here to group party. In here can you select who can add you to a party here, into who you can add up to 6 members in this list here if you want to add friends or no one. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.